Assalamualaikum my dear students, I hope you are all safe. We are going to discuss about division chapter and its lecture number 2.
I have 11 marbles. I want to distribute these 11 marbles among 3 people. For that, I am distributing marbles one by one. These 2 people gets 4 and this boy gets 3. This is not equal division. That's why I am taking these 2. Now everyone gets 3 and these 2 are left. How will we explain that in mathematically? Let's see. 11 marble will divide into 3 people. We have to write it vertically. This format is called horizontal. Now we will write vertical format. That's why first I have to write this one first, and under this sign, can you remember this sign's name? This one is division bracket, and I am writing 11 here under the division bracket. Then we have to observe times table 3. Before that, we have to observe that 3 is 1 digit number and 11 is 2 digit number. That 3 into 1 does not go. That's why we are taking both of these and observing times table 3. Three ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. If we take 4, we will get more. That's why we can't take this. If we take this, we will get 9. So we will take 9. We will write 3. So we have to write 3 3s are 9. We have to multiply 3 with 3, and 11 minus 9 is equal 2. 2 is left. If question is do division 11 divided by 3, then you have to write answer like this. I have 8 marbles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 marbles. I want to divide it equally among 3 people. So our problem is 8, total 8 marble, and I have to divide among 3 people. I have to find how many marbles will get each people. First I have write it horizontally. Then for solving that, I am writing it vertically. Again we have to observe times table 3. Here 8 is 1 digit number and 3 is 1 digit number. That's why we don't have choose how many numbers we have to take. Only we have to observe times table 3. Let's write 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 8, but 3 3s are 9. 8 is smaller than 9 and we can't subtract that. That's why we are taking 2. 2, 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we can everyone give 2 marbles and 2 marble will left. Our question is 19 divided by 1. First we have to write it vertically. First small number, then big number. First we have to take 1 into 1. We know we have to multiply 1 ones are 1. Then we have to subtract 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we have to write down 9. We have to bring 9 here. Again we know that 9 ones are 9. We have to minus 9 minus 9 equal 0. So we have got the answer. Answer is 19 divided by 1 equal 19. Here is our problem. We have to write it vertically. Four goes to 9. That's why I am taking only 4 and 9. We look for multiplication. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, but 4 threes are 12, which is greater than 9. So we are taking 2. I am writing 2 over 9. 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. I am bringing 2 here. Again we got 4 threes are 12. Exact 4 threes are 12. That's why I am writing 3 here. 4 threes are 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. We got our answer. Our answer is 92 divided by 4 equal to 23. This is our problem. We have to write it first vertically. For that we have to write 9 here and 0 here. Then we know that 9 multiplies 0 is equal 0. So we will take 0. 9 zeros are 0. Then 0 minus 0 is equal 0. Then our answer 0 divided by 9 equal 0. This is our problem. First we have to write it vertically. 42. We have to recite times table. 2 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That's why we will write 2. I am again explaining. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. We got the match. That's why we write 2 2 2 here. 2 over 4. 2 twos are 4. Then 4 minus 4 is equal 0. Then again we have to bring down this 0 here. I am bringing this 0 here. That's why now we know 2 multiply 0 equal 0. That's why I am putting 0 over the 0. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. No more today. Thank you very much.